Let's take a look at this Asha coffee maker. This coffee maker is made out of metal. It has two sections like this, and a lid on top, and this is the plunger. You put the coffee powder in, and you can see there are small holes in it. So you put the grinded coffee powder in, and pour some hot water, and press it with this slowly while this is on top of this. Your coffee will get collected here. The whole thing is made out of steel, so it's quite durable. This costs around 80 rupees or around $2 for this. Quite nice. Check it out.